Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best application. Using this application, you can record Windows screen absolutely free. Even the software is absolutely free, easy to handle. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a Windows screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks so you can receive updated notification related on tech videos. So here we need to open first of all Google in Windows. Here is my Windows PC. You can see here. Now I just simply type here one of the software name. That software name is Xbox Game Bar. Enter. So look at this here. First link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. I just simply click here. So this link going to your Microsoft App Store, similar kind of App Store and Windows. So this application is absolutely free. Using this application, I record this currently video. So you just simply go to the store and download this application. And then after that, if you want to record the screen, simply press button Windows key plus Alt plus R and the video is recording in your screen. It's very easy and the detailed informations are recording here. So you can off the mic, stop this recording. Using the software, you can record very easily different screen, multiple videos using your Windows laptop. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.